Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to today's Bitcoin update for Friday 23 of September. And yesterday there was a little bit of a pump on the Thursdays, but I told you that there's still a big resistance right here that we have to pay attention to, and that resistance is not really broken just yet. Okay, so the scenario goes on as follows, and that's going to be something like this one here. So this is the trend line that we're looking for. So the first touch here, the second touch, third one right over there, and we have a little bit of a room left to maybe go a little bit back up to that trend line and then start to move to the downside as well. However, some people might say that this is a double bottom. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, it does look like a double bottom to me as well, but unfortunately I'm just looking at this bigger picture. Some can even say that this is like a descending broadening wedge as well, and if you do try to come above the descending broadening wedge, break 19,672, backtest this one, so there could be chances of going back up to 20,384. It's surprising though that even after the news we didn't see any major move, not to the upside, not to the downside. But I do see people on the internet, a lot of traders out there saying that this news can do something like, first of all, make some small pump and then go to the downside when the effect actually comes in. Now, I don't know, there's a concept of the opening of the market of the stocks as well. So there could be some reason why if, the market isn't opening. For example, I don't know if SPX really opened up. I just want to check SPX. Now you can see SPX, I told you it's gonna come down, right? It did came down, but that's really weird that it didn't actually do anything to Bitcoin. That's one thing. Okay, Vanguard. Okay, so Vanguard came down, but you can see that Bitcoin didn't really do anything. As a matter of fact, on the 4-hour time frame, it's green candles rather than the red candles. Okay, so that news did had an effect on Vanguard and SPX, and we really need to check this one. We really need to compare this with Bitcoin as well. I don't know if Dominance has any story with it as well. Now USDT Dominance is actually getting a little bit green right now, so let's see if there's anything with it. I don't know, it's in a very major support right now. Maybe it could start to go back up again and move up. There's a technical target for Dominance to go back up to 7.94. So all in all, there is a gray area that is not really clear to me right now if Bitcoin is going to continue or not. Okay, so today is important. Weekend is starting. Maybe the weekends can actually be something that we look forward to if Bitcoin is going to drop to the downside. However, if we have to go into the conversation of invalidation and moving to the upside, I do think it's important to break up to 21,000 and perhaps come to 20,000, and that's where I might start to say that something different can happen from here. As long as you're under this resistance, first of all, it's hard for me to even say anything. So it's pretty much sideways, maybe choppy journey at the moment, so better to just stay sideways until there's no any confirmation. And that's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.